Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. In today's video we are going to learn how to use hand on Candy Crush Soda. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush app, then after go to the level you want to play, and then I've already opened it. Then tap and keep on playing, and whenever required to use the hand icon you can use it. This hand move won't cost you any moves, so you can use it whenever necessary, whenever you are losing any moves and you just need to move it somewhere. Just like this, you can use it by tapping on the candy you want to shift and then tap where you want to take it up, front, back, right or left. You can see over here. I'll bring it down like this. You can use this hand icon. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.